Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and we're going to be doing a camera replacement on this Mark III Focus. First things first, we need to remove this carpet, so just unscrew on this plastic bung here and move it out of the way. Next, push in on the two plastic clips here, and the cover should just slide out. Next, we're just going to withdraw the old filter, the new filter in with clean hands.
Feed it in. There was a cable stuck in the way as well, so make sure that's not stuck in. And we're just going to slowly push it in. Make sure it's clear at the top and clear at the bottom. The thing is, you have to sort of loop it around this fuse box as well. So that's why it looks a bit curved going in.
The reason my mate knew that he needed a new cabin filter was because of my book called Do Not Ignore That Noise. Just on the left hand side there. There will be an affiliate link in the comments for this.
Feed this into the top first and then hold these clips in, and it should just clip into place in there. Then all we're going to do is put that back together. That looks when it's in, so that little hole there lined up with that. These bits clip onto there. That's all good to go.
So much for watching. There is a playlist for all things Mark III Focus in the comments.